Cutting carbon emissions isn't the only thing needed to prevent global warming. There are other greenhouse gases that need cutting, such as methane. And that's why South Korea is joining the Global Methane Pledge, which aims to cut emissions by 30% in the next decade. Kim Sung-min reports.
South Korea is joining the global commitment to cut methane emissions by signing up to the Global Methane Pledge. According to the Trade Ministry on Monday, the US and EU-led initiative aims to cut global methane emissions by at least 30% in the coming decade, and South Korea plans to cut its emissions by the same amount. Methane is one of the 6 greenhouse gases designated by the Kyoto Protocol and is responsible for around a third of all global warming. It also accounts for around half of the 1 degree Celsius net rise in the global average temperature since the pre-industrial era. In 2018, South Korea emitted some 28 million tons of methane, mainly in the agriculture, waste, and energy sectors. By 2030, the country aims to cut that down to 19.7 million tons. The agriculture sector accounts for 43% of South Korea's total emissions, and that largely comes from rice cropping and livestock excretions. The government plans to improve water in rice paddies and better treat animal waste. The waste sector, which takes up 1/3 of emissions, will focus on reducing food waste as well as reinforcing landfill facilities. The last 22%, coming from energy sector, will be reduced through improving energy efficiency and expanding the use of green energy. The government says the pledge complements its plans to make the country carbon neutral by 2050. Kim Sung-min, Arirang News.